Hey guys, I just want to encourage you guys to ask me your gardening questions. Anything that you might be struggling with last year in your garden, or if you want to start a new garden this year, please feel free to ask me any questions that you might have, and I'll do my best to find the answer either based on my own experience, or I'll research the answer for you. I have a lot of gardening experience. I've been gardening for about 16 or 17 years. I'm not a master gardener or anything like that. I'm just a normal guy, but I do read a lot of gardening books, and I follow a lot of master gardeners on YouTube and do a lot of reading, so I feel like I have a lot of gardening knowledge and can help you guys out. And plus, it's winter here in Ohio. It's going to be cold here from now until springtime, so it's hard for me to get outside and do videos. But if you ask me any of your questions, I'd be glad to help you out on TikTok and respond to those issues that you have in videos. Thanks, and I hope I can help you out.